Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Look at this. Nasty, gooey, torn up, demolished, just totally ruined Super 8 film. I opened up the cartridge here, ripped it open, so you could see I purchased this very inexpensively from someone, and it wouldn't even move when I advanced it through the Super 8 camera. Everything is destroyed. This person, if they had, or whoever it was that had any type of memories on this film, are long gone. Look at that. This is what heat and humidity does. You put this your film into an attic, it just totally ruins it and destroys it in there. Look at this. It's all matted and stuck together. Like I said, it wouldn't even move or advance inside there. Just so, look at there, it's just rubbing right off. Flaking right off there. Alright, Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.